I can even assist you.
I'm still in fifth.
Go.
Fourth board. Beautiful morning for a ride. Here we go. Riding down a dirt road in desert Southwest. You can see that white pole. I found survey markers for a neighbor. He put 10-foot PVC pipe in it. Coasting down a big hill. One-handed. There's a lot pin right down in that hole. That was 2 foot deep, hard to find. And then there's one on this corner. Same thing, these were 2 foot deep from plowing the road. Okay, now we got a big uphill climb. This is about the end of the trip today. We're gonna go over here and look at a friend's land, and that's it for today. Ride back.